Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a DIY fur chair. I purchased this chair off of Facebook Market, only paid about maybe $10 or $15. What I'm going to do is be showing you all the supplies I have, which I received from Joann Fabric Store. The first thing is the black fur. I'm going to be showing you the bag and what the bag looks like. Also, this fur, depending on how many yards you get, it's pretty expensive because of the quality of the fabric. So I try not to get too much, but just enough, just in case I needed to alter it a little bit. But like I said, I'm just showing you the supplies that I have. And I'm going to basically just be showing you the process of how I do my DIY chair with all the supplies I have in the video. So keep watching and stay tuned. I'm going to just play music for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished product. I did notice that if you want the fur to hold really well, I'm not sure what type of fabric you all have on your chair, but by this pretty much being leather, I had to add multiple staples in the same area just to make sure it held really well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please make sure to comment down below. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that